In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open Read Mode in Microsoft Word. Read Mode is a feature designed to make reading documents easier and more comfortable, especially when you're reviewing long reports, articles, or ebooks. It optimizes the layout for reading, hides editing tools, and allows you to focus on the content without distractions. You can also navigate through pages more smoothly and even zoom in or out for better visibility. To start, open Microsoft Word and open the document you want to read. You don't need to make any changes to the document beforehand, as Read Mode is purely for viewing. Once your document is open, go to the View tab at the top of the Word window. The View tab contains different ways to display your document, such as print layout, web layout, outline, and Read Mode. Click on Read Mode, which is usually the first option in the Views section. Word will immediately switch your document into a full-screen reading layout. In this mode, the ribbon and most editing tools are hidden, giving you a clean and uncluttered interface. While in Read Mode, you can navigate through pages using the arrows on the sides of the screen or by scrolling with your mouse or keyboard. You can also adjust the text size by clicking the View Options button at the top right corner, which allows you to zoom in or out to suit your preference. If your document contains multiple columns, Read Mode will reformat the text into a single column for easier reading. You can also switch between layout options such as columns or page width, depending on what looks most comfortable. To exit Read Mode, simply press the ESC key on your keyboard, and that's it. Using Read Mode in Microsoft Word makes reviewing documents much easier, reduces distractions, and improves readability, especially for longer files. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.